Grasslands face drastic carbon loss. Future droughts combined with rising CO2 could slash grassland carbon uptake 4 times more than expected. Our vital green buffers are under greater threat than we thought. Inside the tech of shark drones. Drones over NS Dozler's beaches offer peace of mind, but researchers warn they aren't a perfect shield. They are tools for reassurance, not absolute protection against shark encounters. Shielding our DNA from damage. When cells copy DNA, vulnerabilities emerge. Scientists are mapping how cells detect and repair this damage, exposing critical weaknesses we can target to fight cancer. How trees program friendly bacteria. The black locust tree uses a newly found family of small proteins to gently reprogram root bacteria to fix nitrogen without harming them. A masterclass in cooperation. Jellyfish reveals scar-free healing. Watch jellyfish cells walk to close a wound. Clytia hemispherica reveals a rapid cellular repair system that allows flawless, scar-free healing, inspiring regenerative medicine.